What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a social media post template. It's basically a social media post design that I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to give the template for free. So let's see how we're going to make it. First part, we're gonna make a solid color background. So you have to click on this icon over here and solid color, and for now I'm just gonna make it white, and I'm gonna bring up the photo. It's kind of a girl's photo, so I'm gonna actually rename this one. I'm gonna rasterize that layer so you can cut it. I'm gonna cut this part away, put it in the center. Right, that should look good. Okay, so we have our picture in here, and now we're gonna bring up the text and I'm gonna write social media. The next one, I'm gonna type in poster. Get that way, and I'm gonna change the font. Now we're gonna make a new layer. I'm gonna bring up the shapes that we need. I'm gonna give the download link of all of these shapes in the description box down below, so you can download it. Just click on the brush tool, and as you scroll down you can see this Memphis brushes. So there's two of them, element volume 3 and element volume 2. So I'm gonna go with 2 right now. I'm just gonna check for good ones.
Looking fresca, oye delincuentes, venga para enfrente, hazte para atrás y tú eres muy decente. Cause I'm chueco, ven, contact the hierba. Lo que será, será cuando lo observa. Get your eyes burn, head turn, pupils tight back stiff and your leg hurt. And then you exert, check the vibe, who got more freaky than I survived, down to Hura, trying to shoot high. So I wave, I swoop, creep and crawl. Take out another back to the door and lay shore. Won't take fall, this shit is when to take all. Trick, take a flick and a click, here to face y'all.
Now I'm gonna make another text. So let's say I'm gonna type in SpilTrez designs. I'm gonna font, and I'm gonna change that to 90-degree counterclockwise. Bring it up in the
You can hum.
Alright, that should do good. And now I'm gonna type in Aziland, as that's the name of this girl right here. So I'm gonna increase this one and reduce the size. And that should be Gucci. Now we can change the colors if you want, just to check if it suits with any other color.
Looking fresca, all you delincuentes, venga para enfrente, hazte para atrás si tú eres muy decente, cause I'm chueco, ven, contact the hierba, lo que será, será cuando lo observa. Your eyes burn, head turn, pupils tight back stiff and your leg hurt, and then you exert, check the vibe, who got more freaky than I survived, down to Hura, trying to shoot high, so I play my smooth creepy core, take out another best of the door, and lay short.
We could actually group all of these and go to camera raw filter, do that, and go to grain and increase some amount of grain so that it looks a bit cool. Like 24 of grain will be good, I guess. And let's just mess up with these things. That should be good. And yeah guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna give a template of this in the description box down below. You can download it for free. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace.